Mother-to-be Tandala has an opportunity for a meal. It's not easy to steal from Storm's pack. Tandala is in for a shock. Desperately, Tandala tries to protect both her back and her belly. Male lions can take anything they want. With the dogs distracted, it's a chance for Tandala to sneak away.